Good morning, guys. I had made the dough last night and it's early morning. I'm going to show you what has happened to the pot. I had mixed the water, yeast, and some honey, some salt, and let it ferment for almost 12 hours. And this is what the dough looks like. This is the dough we made last night, and overnight it has sat. And look how beautifully fermented it is. It's filled up the pot. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a sheet to which I'm going to add this beautiful olive oil. It's fruity. It's not very sharp because it's early harvest. It's cold extracted and it's just a very flavorful oil. So I'm going to pour a good amount of that in this pan and then slide out our dough into this. I'm going to take some olive oil on my hand so the dough doesn't stick. I'm literally going to just I'm going to spread it out, but not by rolling it out. I just want it such that it just relaxes, the dough sort of relaxes. I'm being very gentle and gently spreading this dough out without, taking care that the air bubbles are still not getting popped. The dough has rested for about 30 minutes. Now I'm going to take both my hands and only 3 fingers and create like dimples. And here I have some warm water. It's not hot, it's warm, and with a lot of salt in it, and I'm pouring it over the dough. We'll let this dough proof for another 45 minutes. Here's our focaccia. It's ready. I wish you guys were here and could smell it. It smells amazing. And can you hear it? It's the beautiful hollow sound, which means that the bread has a lot of air pockets.